Hello friends, now last videos we have discussed about the composition levy. Now the person or businessman his aggregate turnover up to is 1.5 crore during the 1.5 crores during the financial year. Such person is eligible for composition levy. If the person who is belonging to special category states, then his aggregate turnover should be 75 lakhs. Then the person who is doing the business as a supplier, supply the services, then his aggregate turnover up to is 50 lakhs that we have discussed and the eligibility criteria we studied. Now friends, we are going to learn some practical problems. I already mentioned in my previous videos, we will discuss some practical problems. Now practical problem whenever we will solve, we can easily understand the basic concepts and how we will find out the tax liabilities and how we will find out the aggregate turnovers. Let us discuss one, one or two simple 5 to 6 problems related to the composition levy. Problem number one. Amar, who is a manufacturer in Thane, provides the data for the financial year 2019-20. Total value of the supplies, including inward supplies, tax under reverse charge basis, are rupees 1 crore 1 lakh. The details are as follows. Particulars rupees, intra-state supplies 12 lakh 50,000, intra-state supply GST at nil rate 30 lakh 50,000, intra-state supplies which are wholly exempt 34 lakh 60,000, value of inward supplies on which tax payable under reverse charge mechanism RCM 5 lakh 40,000. Explain whether Amar is eligible to opt for composition scheme in financial year 2020-21. Now in this particular question, Amar is a manufacturer in Thane. It means in the Maharashtra, he is a manufacturer and he is providing the information in the financial year 2019-20 and their value of supply, inward supply, including inward supply and reverse charge mechanism, including all this value of supply, and the value is 1 crore 1 lakh, and they are providing detailed information regarding this. Now whenever we will talk about the composition scheme, whether he is eligible for composition scheme or not, that we should understand first. So for that purpose, whether he is a registered person, whether his aggregate turnover, whatever they are provided in their rule, is there or not, that we have to find out first. So whenever we will talk about the solution, so a registered person whose aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year did not exceed 1 crore 50 lakhs may opt for payment of tax under composition scheme. It means if an individual or registered or Amar wants to become a composition levy, want to pay the taxes under composition, his aggregate turnover in preceding financial year should not be more than 1 crore 50 lakhs. This is a particular condition. Now aggregate turnover means what? So as per the section 2 subsection 6 of the CGST Act 2017, aggregate turnover means the aggregate value of all taxable supplies excluding the value of inward supply on which tax is payable by the person on reverse charge basis. It means inward supply in that reverse charge basis is not a part of the aggregate turnover. It is not included under aggregate turnover. Then all exempt supplies, all export of the goods or services or both, and interstate supplies, persons having the same permanent account number to be computed on all India basis. So these are the aggregate turnover. These are the rules are there. These things should be included under the value of the aggregate turnover, but excludes, not included. Exclude is not included. Central tax, state tax, union territory tax, integrated tax, and cess. These are the things are not included under aggregate turnover. Thus, the aggregate turnover we have to calculate for Amar. We have to calculate the Amar's aggregate turnover. Now, first transaction they are provided interstate supply 12,50,000. The interstate supply 12,50,000 is eligible under under composition scheme. Interstate supply, even the GST rate is nil. It means the exempt supply also eligible. We know that exempt supply, interstate supply, it is an intrastate supply within the state. The intrastate supply exempted also consider. Intrastate supply which is wholly exempt also consider. But value of inward supply on which tax payable under reverse charge mechanism. Reverse charge mechanism, they excluded, if you see that, excluded the reverse charge. They excluded the reverse charge. It means under aggregate turnover, reverse charge mechanisms inward supply will not include. We have to put nil. And this particular problem, they are provided reverse charge supply, inward supply 5,40,000. This amount we will not consider while calculating the aggregate turnover. So total will be considered as a 77,60,000. It is a aggregate turnover. Now our question is whether Amar is eligible, whether Amar is eligible for opted for composition scheme. Now rule is aggregate turnover is not more than 1 crore 50 lakhs, and now in this particular problem his aggregate turnover is 77,60,000. It means less than 1 crore 50 lakhs. Therefore Amar is eligible for opting composition scheme for the financial year 2019-20 because his aggregate turnover does not exceed 1 crore 50 lakhs. So I hope you understood how we will calculate the aggregate turnover, and aggregate turnover we have to match with our rules. Our rule is aggregate turnover should not be more than rupees 1 crore 50 lakhs. If it is up to 1 crore 50 lakhs, it means such person is eligible. Under this particular problem, Amar is eligible for opting composition scheme. Now, let us discuss one more problem. Problem number 3. Anju Manufacturing Limited, a manufacturing concern, effected the intrastate taxable supply of rupees 5 lakhs and interstate taxable supply of rupees 18 lakhs in the financial year 2019-20 and sale of rupees 8 lakh as an electronic commerce operator. The company wants to obtain the composition scheme under Section 10 of the CGST Act 2017. Advise whether if it can opt for composition scheme. Now, here Anju Manufacturing Limited, they are doing intrastate supply 5 lakhs. The 5 lakhs is eligible because intrastate supply is eligible under aggregate turnover. Aggregate turnover meaning, if you see that in that interstate supply is there or intrastate supply also eligible. But interstate taxable supply 18 lakhs is there, sale 8 lakh, electronic commerce operator. I already mentioned that the electronic commerce operator is not eligible for composition scheme. Interstate supply are not eligible, even the electronic commerce operator also not eligible. Therefore, this composition scheme is not applicable for Anju Manufacturing Limited because they are electronic commerce operator, and they also not engaging in he is not engaged in making any interstate outward supply of the goods, also should not act as a electronic operator. It means he is engaged with interstate supply and electronic commerce operator. Therefore, he has he is not eligible for composition scheme. Now next, Hotel King Private Limited, provider of restaurant services in New Delhi. They also serve beer, whiskey, and so on. Turnover in the preceding financial year is rupees 67 lakhs. Is Hotel King Private Limited eligible for composition scheme in the current year? See friends, he is not eligible for composition scheme because whatever supply of the products which are not levied to GST, for example beer and whiskey, which are not comes under GST, therefore he is not eligible under composition scheme. Next, Mr. A of Chennai is a retailer dealing with the cell phones. He provides goods to the person located in Chennai and Pondicherry. Aggregate turnover in the preceding financial year is rupees 45 lakhs. Mr. A wants to opt for composition scheme in the current financial year. Advice. Now, I already informed, composition scheme is not eligible for interstate supply between the two states. It is not eligible. Here, Mr. A is belonging to Chennai and he is supplying the goods to Chennai and Pondicherry. Pondicherry is a separate union territory. It means Mr. A is supplying the goods to the Pondicherry, also Pondicherry union territory. So if you are supplying the goods to some other union territory or some other states, so you are doing interstate supply or interstate inter union territory supply. If you are doing interstate supply, or we can say that in this particular example, inter union territory supply, so such kinds of supply are not come under composition scheme. It means interstate supply is not eligible. No, when the person makes the interstate supply of goods, benefit of the composition scheme is prohibited. Therefore, Mr. A will not be entitled to the benefit of the composition scheme. Next, Peter England is a trader who sells his ready-made clothes online on Amazon India, an electronic commerce operator. He received an order of rupees 12 lakhs in the previous year. Peter England also supplied goods from their outlet. Aggregate turnover of the company in the previous year was rupees 21 lakhs. Is Peter England eligible for composition scheme? So you see friends, if you are the trader, you are selling ready-made clothes online on Amazon India. Amazon India is an electronic commerce operator. Electronic commerce operators business activities supplying is not eligible under composition scheme. Here answer is no. Peter England engaged in making supply of the goods through electronic commerce operator who is required to collect the taxes at source under section 52 of the GST Act 2017, when the Peter England is not eligible. Hence, the Peter England is not eligible for composition scheme because of the they are doing the business through electronic commerce operator. Friends, I hope you understood this particular reading. And one thing that you should keep in mind whenever we have to talk about the aggregate turnover, this will be the interstate. It is the intra all taxable supply, exempt supply, exportable goods, intrastate supply comes under aggregate turnover. But interstate supply, the supply between the two states, are not comes under under composition scheme, that you should keep in mind. So friends, I hope you understood the basic things. So under composition scheme, who is eligible? Small person, small businessman. If their aggregate turnover up to rupees 1.5 crores, if the businessman supplying the services, their aggregate turnover is 50 lakhs, up to rupees 50 lakhs, then eligible. If the person businessman belonging to special category states and he is selling the goods, the aggregate turnover up to rupees 75 lakhs. These things you should keep in mind. Then e-commerce operator, interstate supply are not eligible for composition scheme. These things you should keep in mind whenever we have to study any particular topic. You have to understand the basic concepts. It is very important. Why it is important? Because such type of questions may come in your exam. So I hope you should study hard. You have to write the each and every questions, each and every theoretical part, whatever we have discussed right now. It is very important for exam point of view. Okay, bye. Thank you.